Hi, you want to know how to create silhouettes in Photoshop? This video is the right one for you. Let's get started right away. Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create silhouettes from virtually any image and any PNG image. And we're gonna see two techniques to do that. And first of all, we're gonna see how we can use colors and how we can use solid colors. And in the second example, we're gonna see how we can use the effects to accomplish that. And by the way, I'm using Adobe Photoshop 2020. You can do that. You can use older versions also, and that's gonna work anyway. And I've got this image open, link in the description to this image. You can download it and use it if you wish. And we're gonna go here. We're gonna come here in our layers panel. If you don't see your layers panel, you can come here to window and you click on it. Right now there's a tick here simply because it's here. It appears here for me. And we're gonna add click here on this button, and we're gonna add a solid color adjustment layer. Don't worry about the color. We're gonna see how to change that in a little bit. And press OK. Right click on this layer and click create clip mask. And you already see that it has already added a white color to this image. To change the color now, double click on this. Here, right now it's on white. And by moving this, you can decide what color you want for this silhouette. Let's say black. Press OK. Then you can save it and use it. Save it as a PNG, of course, and use it in any way you wish. Let's check out the second example. In this second example, we're gonna add an effect to this image and try to change it into a silhouette, which we can use later on. We're gonna come down here into the effects, click on the effects button, and add a color overlay right away. And as you can see right away, we already have a silhouette. And for example, if I want to change the color, click on this, just click once, it will open the color picker, and you can change the color to any color you want. You might move it this and so on and so on. If the effect doesn't properly work and you see things doesn't work, make sure that your blending mode is on normal. It will ensure that the effect works. And also the opacity, for example, see, by moving this, I affect the opacity of the overlay layer. Make sure it's at 100 and things will work fine. Okay, we will now see a practical example of where we could use this silhouette technique in a more practical way. Let's say I've got this t-shirt design here and I want to place this logo, of course, in a white color. I want to place it here on this design. First of all, we're gonna use any of the two techniques we just learned. I'm gonna use the color overlay technique, effects, color overlay. I'm gonna change this to white, of course. If it's not white, you just move the slider and you will have your color. And make sure the blending mode is normal, opacity 100. Press OK. Okay, now you don't have to save it. If you want to save it, you can save it, but no problem. I'm gonna come here. I put the design, the placeholder for the design into a smart object. Let me close this. By double click on a smart object, it will open in a new window or in a tab if you want. And I'm gonna place the graphic here. To do that, I'm gonna go back to the logo I just converted into white. I'm gonna click and drag. Keep on holding, don't release. And now I release it. Place my logo. I'm saving it. Save. Command or Control S, you save your work. And I'm gonna come here, and as you see, bang, I've got this this logo, or if you want this silhouette on already on this t-shirt design. Let's say I want to have a yellow, for example. I don't know, let's say we want to have this yellow. Since I already have the effect here, I can double click on this effect right away, right here, and I can choose yellow. Isn't that cool? Okay, save my work, come here. Wow, we've got the silhouette and we can change it into any color you want. And isn't that cool, guys? Really cool. Okay, that was it for this video. If you like the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to share the video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye.